One of the recent client wins that I had was a client, 59-year-old gentleman who in his past had been a professional bicyclist, went out for a bicycle ride in Cape Coral, Florida, came to a four-way stop, and ultimately he went into the intersection and an at-fault driver blew through a stop sign, ended up colliding with him and his friend, and they had horrible injuries. My client was hospitalized for several days and had several injuries, broken bones, required surgery, and consequently, a lot of medical bills as well. We knew right at the beginning, even though things may seem very clear, that the insurance company may fight us on who's really responsible. And so our team went to work right away to make sure that we secured the evidence, worked with law enforcement, and had our own team of investigators and experts to make sure that we could prove that our client wasn't responsible. And that's exactly what we did. Thankfully, there was a lot of insurance available, a $1 million insurance policy, but it was a total amount of insurance. And we were, like I said, there was someone else that was injured as well. And they had significant injuries. And so we went to work for our client to get as much of that insurance policy as possible, and we were successful in getting him 90% of that policy, $900,000. And thankfully, he also had some uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage of $20,000 that we secured for him as well. So he ended up making a very, very good recovery after some very severe injuries, still dealing with some issues, but now he's got the compensation to move forward with his life.